I'm anticipating something great. It's really exciting to be part of a project like HOUSS.
We love the area, we love the design, we're excited.
Industry and manufacturing in Vancouver is changing.
HOUSS is a 52,000 square foot mixed-use building in the heart of Mount Pleasant that incorporates a heritage home, a beautiful contemporary restaurant, and strata offices.
The floor plans allow for a proper amount of natural light within the space. It really offers a lot in terms of culture that many areas of Vancouver just don't have. Keeping something like the Coulter House within HOUSS, it's unique, it's exciting, it speaks to the creative nature of Mount Pleasant.
In August of last year, we opened a new production kitchen with a retail front in Mount Pleasant. What was nice about this area was the proximity to downtown, and the ability to go north, south, east, west from here is so convenient. The retail component was always an afterthought, and frankly, we've been blown away with just how busy it's been.
When you're at work, you want to be in an area where you're comfortable, where you feel motivated, where you feel inspired. Mount Pleasant is absolutely grown into that area.
The appeal to us is that vibe of the people who are in this area. We get to know you and you get to know them. It feels a bit more of a family that you're working with in the area.
Well, I'm most excited to come in and meet some of the clients that we've put into the building and see the vibe of the vision that we've all had.
What makes me proud about HOUSS is that I think it's really going to add to the community.
We always try to look at the long view, and we always try to leave the community in a better spot than we found it. And we think we've done that with HOUSS.